Ninth class. Now here today we will discuss about the topic number 2.3.3, uses of the radioactive isotopes. So class, here first of all we will talk about the first one, use of the radioisotope, that is radiotherapy or the treatment of the cancer cell. So ninth class, here we will quote different type of the examples of the radioactive isotopes just to treat the cancer cells. So here first of all we will discuss about the phosphorus 32 and the strontium 90. Now class, as the phosphorus and the strontium 90 are radioactive isotope, they actually emits the radiation. Now what type of the radiations are actually emitted by the phosphorus 32 and the strontium 90? So class, phosphorus 32 and the strontium 90 emits the less penetrating beta radiations. Because these are less penetrating beta radiation, they are not capable to penetrate deep inside the body, so they are used to treat the skin cancer that are present on the periphery of the skin. Now class, just look at this. Here this is the tumor cell. Now class, we will use the phosphorus 32 and the strontium 90, and the radiation that are emitted by the phosphorus 32 and the strontium 90 are less penetrating beta radiation. When these less penetrating beta radiations falls on the affected area only, so just look at this. As soon as these less penetrating beta radiation strikes with the cancerous cell or the tumor cell, now the tumor cell can break down into pieces. Now these pieces are actually removed out from the body easily. So here we will use the radioactive isotopes like the phosphorus 32 and the strontium 90 for the treatment of the skin cancer, because they are less penetrating radiations are emitted from the phosphorus 32 and the strontium 90. Now here we will discuss about the cobalt 60. There is another radioactive isotope. Now class, because the cobalt 60 is also the radioactive isotope, it also emits the radiation. Now what type of the radiation are actually emitted by the cobalt 60? Cobalt 60 actually emits the highly penetrating gamma radiations. Now class, these highly penetrating gamma radiation are capable to penetrate deep inside the body. Just because of that reason, that they are highly penetrating gamma radiation, they are used to treat the tumor cell within the body, or you can say the tumor cell within the organs. So class, for example, here we will talk about the lung cancer. So class, just look at this. Here this is the patient having a lung cancer. Now class, we will use the cobalt 60. Now class, cobalt 60 actually emits the highly penetrating gamma radiation. So here this is the overview. Just look at this. Here this is the lung, and here these are the lung cancer, now tumor cell. Now class, as soon as the highly penetrating gamma radiation can easily penetrate through the skin and reach at the site of their action, that are the tumor cells within the lung cell. So class, as soon as these highly penetrating gamma radiation can easily penetrate the skin and reaching at the lung, and now as soon as they actually strikes with the tumor cell within the lungs, so they actually break down the tumor cell present within the lungs. Now class, here this is the whole mechanism of the radioactive isotopes to treat the skin cancer as well as the tumor cell present within the organ.